Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding mindfulness. Pause, breathe, and embrace the present moment, as mindfulness is a gift we can give ourselves every day. We can't always change what's happening around us, but we can change what's happening within us. So, when you're feeling anxious, put all your attention on your breathing, as it's a portal into the present moment and a wonderful remedy for stress. Once something is out of your hands, put it out of your head. The more time we spend mindfully in the present moment, the less problems we will have, as whatever problems we may be dealing with often get multiplied in our mind. Remember, when we focus our attention on the present moment, we find peace in the now and solutions in the silence. So, take some mindful moments for yourself today. As mindfulness isn't difficult, we just need to remember to do it. Enjoy the day.